GIIKARO gĩa kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ hinya kĩrĩa gĩgũtabanĩtio na itanya rĩa kũheana ũtheri wĩgiĩ thũgũrĩ ya maguta ma mũigana wa ciringi birioni 17. No mwonjoria NJERI ũrĩa gũtanyĩtwo gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ ndanekinyia, kũrĩa atũmire o wakiri wake kũmũrũgamĩrĩra akiuga nĩ aremereirwo kumana na itũmi cia mĩthiĩre.
NJERI Njoroge of Arms Imports and Exports Enterprises Limited will not be able to make it for the invitation to meet the Departmental Committee on Energy regarding the disputed oil consignment, as she is indisposed and immobile.
Someone who is immobile, believe that must be bedridden, maybe hospitalized. Do you have any supporting documents to support that she's unwell?
Kwaga gwikinyia kwa NJERI kuoneka kwa burura marakara ma mbunge amwe aria mauma na hikiki kumenya uria thuguru ino yakinyanirio na kuria NJERI yarutite ciringi birioni 17 cia gukinyaniria thuguru ino.
This woman must report to this committee whatever the case. Let us authenticate what she has, because if it's from the grapevine chair, you have heard this woman does not even have an import license. So how can one import oil in Kenya without an import license? There is bigger to this than what we are seeing, which as a mandated committee need to get to the bottom of it.
Amwe ya mbunge mendekithia kugia na giathi kingi na mwonjoria uyu riu makimuria ataririe kana kwaga gwikinyia gwake kumanite na kugwehio ni thirikari na kana andu angi.
There is all the need. As a committee of energy, we are mandated to make intervention on any matters relating to oil. And this matter is so weighty that it's putting the country in a situation where it's either being doubted or it's harassing its own citizens.
As well, this lady was security, so that next time we see this lady here, this thing is not a light matter, which even you and me, you can just walk in after being kidnapped and you think you are safe. The lady may be not as sort of a safety, that's why she's not coming in.
Ona kuri uguo thuguri no ikoneka guthie na mbere na kurehe githiururi na nganja kuria muikiriri gite kamiti-ini no Vincent Musyoka onekire gutariria ati meri iria NJERI eragweta kurehe maguta make gukorwo etandikithirio gukinya gicukiro-ini kia meri kia Mombasa undu uria utekiritwo mukonde.
I think it is fair that the people making those allegations must appear before the committee and clarify a number of things so that we don't now then crucify people without knowing the truth. When we have matters of national interest, you are first invited to appear. Then if you continue making excuses, then you are compelled to appear.
Ndũgamano gatagati ka mwonjoria ũyũ na thirikari ikoneka kwaga guthira ica ikuhi kuria mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro wonanĩtie gũkuruhania NJERI na ministry ya maguta, Senator wa Busia Okiya Omtata na mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga arĩa amwe arĩa morotete thirikari njama-inĩ ĩno. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.